In today's fast-paced business world, every executive minute counts. When I'm called to present to senior leadership, I know I've got to deliver more than just information. I need to drive decisions and inspire action. If you want to ace your executive presentations, you have to get laser-focused. So let's dive into the pro tips that turn a standard deck into a high-impact conversation at the top table. First up, know your audience. Before I build a single slide, I do my homework. What keeps these executives up at night? What are their biggest wins and their current challenges? The more I understand their priorities, the better I can tailor my message to what matters most. Next, start with the bottom line. Executives don't have time for suspense. I always open with the headline, my main insight or recommendation, right up front. That way everyone immediately knows why we're here and what they should listen for. Keep it concise and relevant. This isn't the time for background stories or lengthy explanations. I stick to key data, laser-focused insights, and actionable recommendations. If it doesn't support the decision at hand, I leave it out. Structure is everything. Here's my go-to framework. I start with a clear introduction. What's the purpose? And what will success look like at the end? Then I present key insights using digestible data, charts, stats, trends. Next, I lay out my recommendations, actionable steps, not just abstract ideas. Finally, I wrap up by reinforcing the main takeaways and what's needed to move forward. Visuals are your secret weapon. I use charts, infographics, and crisp bullet points, not walls of text. My slides are clean, easy to read, and instantly communicate the story behind the data. But I don't stop there. I always anticipate the tough questions and objections. I prep responses, back up my points with evidence or case studies, and I'm ready to pivot if the conversation shifts. Confidence matters. I maintain a professional tone, speak at a steady pace, and stay adaptable to feedback. If the executives want to dig deeper or change direction, I'm ready to guide the discussion without losing impact. And of course, every great executive presentation ends with a clear call to action. I spell out the next steps, confirm alignment, and make sure everyone knows what happens next. Mastering executive presentations is all about clarity, precision, and driving impact. With these strategies, you'll present with confidence and help your organization make better, faster decisions. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out Skill Hub for more tips on leadership and professional success. Until next time, keep presenting with purpose.